Hello everyone. In the last session we have discussed on what is constraint and what are the types of constraint. Mainly we have discussed on primary keys and their functionalities and how we can create the primary key in two ways, in column level and table level. Today we are going to see on that foreign keys. Okay. Now when we see this foreign key, okay, a data in one column of one table that should be matched to the other table. Okay, just consider one real time example. Okay, here I have taken the two table here. Okay, in this table one, just note it down, menu number it is present, item it is present, and quantity it is there. Three column it is present. Okay, this one I can consider is one is product one. Okay, product table. And next, okay, menu number and price. This one I can consider like that billing one. Okay, billing table. Okay, this one it is product table and this one it is billing table. Now you have purchased three items, mango and muskmelon and apple. Okay, three item you have purchased. Based on that menu number, okay, you are purchased only three item only you are purchased. Quantity it is these much quantities you are purchased. Okay, now you are going to billing sessions and you want to pay the amount for whatever you are purchased, that one you are paying. Okay, so how they can consider based on that menu number. Okay, based on this menu number they can consider whatever you are taking the items. Okay, whatever you are taking the items based on the menu number they are considering. Okay, now just imagine that here in this billing sessions they are considering that 105. Okay, menu number 105. Okay, 105 you are not taking. For example, this 105 I am taking that fruit, to this banana I am taking. For the reason just I am mentioning B. Okay, they are billing that banana also, but you are not taking that in this menu, you are not taking that bananas. Okay, that time what will happen? Some clashes it will be happen. Okay, just note it down, some clashes it is happening in Oracle, like that only error it is throwing. Okay, if whatever you are taking the datas, okay, that should be matched to the this menu equal to this menu. Just note it down, whatever the data you are matching, this menu it's equal to this menu. Okay, if you are taking that any other data, that time it will throw that integrity constraint violated. Okay, got it? It will throw that integrity constraint violated. And also for this reason only we are telling that parent child relationship. Okay, P for parent and C for child relationship. Here our parent table it is this product table and our child table it is bill. Okay, billing table. Now we can see that how we can create the foreign key in Oracle SQL. Now see here I have written the syntax for the foreign key. Okay, just note it down, this foreign key it is always it should be written in that table level only. But yesterday we are creating the primary key in two ways, in column level as well as in the table level. But the foreign key it is always used with the table level only. Okay, now the syntax here, create and table name. What are the columns you need? You can give the column and based on that you should give the data type. Okay, and next in the table level just return the keywords constraint and give your constraint name, then foreign key. Okay, and which column you are making the foreign key, that column name you should present here. Okay, and after that I already said that this foreign key, it is like that parent child relationship. Okay, so without taking the parent table we can't do that creating the foreign key. Okay, that's the reason here I am referencing my parent table. Okay, and with help of that column, it's having with primary keys. Just note it down. Okay, we are referring our parent table. Okay, based on that primary key column. Okay, and in the second statement, just see in the second statement, here I have written that one create table statement. Okay, my table name it is menu card here. Okay, in this menu card, I have taken the three columns. Menu number, juice list and quantities. I am considering this is my parent table. Okay, now I am running this statement with help of control enter. Execution. Now see here the table menu card it is getting created. Okay, now we have created our parent table, we have created. Okay, now my second table, that is my child table, this one I am considering is a child table. Okay, now select the statement. Okay, and run it. Now once we are running means you can get to know that no matching unique. Okay, no matching unique or primary key for this column list. Like that the error we got it, because whenever you are considering, that is referring to that any table, okay, that table it should have the primary key with columns, then only we can match to the other tables. So we are giving the primary key in the parent table. Parent table in the sense, in the menu card table we are adding the primary key here. Okay, for that we can use it alter statement. Alter table, my table name it is menu card. Okay, and I'm adding the primary keys. Add primary key. Which column we are adding? Menu card, menu number. In this menu number only we are making as a primary key. Okay, now give the semicolon at the end of the statement. Now run this query. Now see here the table it is getting altered. Okay, now just do the DESC and my table name it is menu card. Now see here we got some constraint it is presented. Okay, menu number it is not null. Okay, I already said that in the last session only how we can check that constraint it is present in one table with help of user constraint. So select star from okay user underscore constraints where we want to give our table name, where my table name it is equal to menu card. Okay, now execute the statement. Now see here we have given this one it is primary key. Okay, and we have not mentioned with that any the constraint name. Okay, so system only it is taking that the constraint name and it is created. And also based on that yesterday only I said that the index unique index it is created whenever you are creating the primary keys. Now move on to the today's topic. Okay, now the menu card it is available with the primary key. Okay, now we can create our second table, that is child table. Okay, now select the statement and run it. Now the orders table also it is created. Before that it is throwing the error like there is no primary key, unique key not found, like that. Okay, but now it is created, the table it is created because in this menu card we have created the primary key. That's a reason here order table also it is getting created. Okay. Now DESC, that is describing table name. Table name it is order. Now see here. Here the menu number it is present and price it is presented. Okay. Here we are not seeing that what is the primary key or a foreign key it is presented. Okay. For that, instead of using that menu code, just make that orders. Okay. Table name equal to orders. Okay. Now see here, or constraint type or it is present like a referential integrity, that is reference means it is like a foreign key. Okay. And FK menu. Okay. So this is my foreign key. Here we have given our constraint name, it is FK menu. That's the reason here we got it FK menu in this constraint name. Okay. And who is generated? User it is generated. Now see in this generated, okay, user it is generated. Okay. But here index it is not created. Okay. Now note it down. Whenever you are creating the primary key only, index it will be create, unique index it can create it. Okay. Now we can insert the values in the table. Okay. Now see here, I have written that insert statement for the menu card tables. Just select the statement and run it. Now see here, we are getting that 5 rows. Okay. And retrieving the data. This is my menu card table. Okay. Second table it is order table. That values also we can insert it. Okay. Just select the statement whatever I have returned. Okay. And run it. Okay. Get the details from the orders. Select star from the order so we can get the details and all. Okay. Now you can know about the foreign key. It will take the duplicate values. Okay. Now see here, the menu number we have present as a foreign key. Okay. This foreign key it is taking the duplicate values. Okay. But primary key won't take the duplicate values. Okay. Now one more data I want to insert. Okay. The data it is 110 and the price is 200. Okay. Now see here, I am executing this statement. It will throw the error integrity constraint violated. Okay. Why it is throwing the error means, now just execute the menu card table. Menu card table it means my parent table. Okay. When I am executing this parent table, this 110 data it is not available in this parent table. That's the reason when I am executing the insert statement, okay, in my child table, okay, it is throwing that integrity constraint violated. Okay. Now I need to delete the data in the table. Okay. For that, okay, first I am making that delete from the table name, it is menu card. Okay, menu card. Here I am giving the condition where condition it is menu number equal to 1 not 1. Okay. Now execute the statement. Now see here, it won't get deleted because it is throwing that child record it is found. Okay. And also if you are trying to drop your table, drop table and your table name, menu card, you are trying to drop the table also, it will throw the error. Okay. An attempt was made to drop the table with unique or primary key. That is reference to that. Okay, now see here, reference to the foreign keys in another table. Okay, so if you want to drop the table, first you should make a drop to that child table, then we can drop to that parent table. For that, just I am making the drop table My child table name it is orders. Okay. Now I'm executing the statement. Now see here, my child table it is dropped. Okay, drop means it is completely it is deleting from the database. Okay. Second, now I'm trying to delete my parent table. When we are trying to delete, that time it is not deleting. Okay, but if I try to delete means, now see here, the table it is getting deleted. That is menu card table, it is getting deleted from our database permanently. This way we can know about the foreign key functionalities and that definition everything. Okay. Thank you for watching. If this session is helpful for you, please subscribe it, comment it, share it, like it. We'll see on upcoming sessions on that remaining constraints and all. Thank you.